Hi everybody. I'm ready. I'm ready for the class. Hope you're all ready. You will ever be ready. There is no doubt in it. But today I'm really excited. I'm really very happy. I am eagerly waiting to start my session because it's all about English. Today we are going to learn English. I love English. I love speaking English. I love talking in English. I want to talk English anytime, everywhere. And I want my little buddies also to speak English. Speak English everywhere, talk in English everywhere, talk again and again, keep on talking. You will become the masters and mistress of English. Yes. In our school, English is given much importance. And you little kiddies, speak English all the time and you will become English speakers. Yes, children. I love to start the session. I told that I am in a hurry to start the session. But not in a hurry, just hurry to start the session because I am excited. Let me start my excitement. Yes. English. I love English. English, Winglish, yes. The screen is ready and in this session you are going to learn words. Words in English, that is from M, N, yes, M, N. After N you will get M, N, O. Yes, children, that means in this session, my lovely children are going to learn words. Words that start with M, words that start with N, and words that start with O. Let us start. Let us start the enjoyment of learning. Let's spell out. Let's repeat. Let's revise and let's become perfect English speakers. M. Yes. Capital M. Small letter M. Yes. M for mango. Sweet mango. Delicious mango. I love mangoes. M. Let's start learning the words with M. Map, M-A-P. What is this? It is a route map. Route map of your school, route map of your house. S. Map, M-A-P. Oh, how lovely it is. It is moon. M-O-O-N. Yes, children, the moon is very beautiful. The moon is very graceful. The moon is very attractive with shiny stars. These are stars. Stars are shiny. Moon. M-O-O. Fantastic. The word moon has two O-O-O-N. Yes, mountain, big mountain. Can you climb mountains? But I can't climb mountains. Why I can't climb mountains? Because they are high up. Yes, mountain, stony mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. I repeat, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Big mountains. Chain of mountains. These are called chain of mountains. Yes, mouse. Mouse. There are so many mice in my house. What do these mice do? They eat away tomatoes. They eat away all my favorite food. That is why I don't want rats, mice or mouse at my home. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Do you know, children? These mice have sharp teeth. With their sharp teeth, they bite away all my food. That is why I don't want to have them at my home. Yes, mouse. Monkey. Monkey. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. What is this monkey doing? Monkey is eating its favorite fruit. What is the favorite fruit of monkey? Banana. Yellow banana. This monkey has a long tail. Yes, children, monkeys are very mischievous, very naughty. They always keep climbing the trees. Sometimes they even snatch away the things from our hands. So children, be very careful, huh? Be very careful if there are monkeys around you. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Yes. Milk. Milk. M-I-L-K. Meow, 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 meow. Cat drinks away the milk. All my milk is drank away by my pussy cat at home. That is why I hide the milk from my pussy cat. Milk. Yes, children, everyone should drink milk because milk is wholesome food. It keeps you all healthy. Milk. M-I-L-K. How nice. How good you are. You have learnt all the words fast. Yes. Now it's time for us to learn the words with the next letter. The next letter is N. Yes, children, the stuff is ready on the screen. N. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. Yes, nice. Nose. N-O-S-E. I have a pretty nose. I have a pointed nose. I have a straight nose. N-O-S-E. Nail. N-A-I-L. Yes. At the edge, at the end of your finger, there is a nail. We all love to put nail polish. We want to polish our nail with different colors. Yes, children. Nail. N-A-I-L. But children, you should trim your nails once in a week. Every Sunday, make it a habit to trim your nails. It's a very good habit, children. And don't bite the nails. It's very bad. Nap. 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 N-A-P. N-A-P. Nap. Nap. What is nap? We all take nap in the afternoon. After lunch, you have sleeping hour. Do you have sleeping hour after lunch? Yes. What do all the children do? They all take a nap, take a short sleep. Taking a very short sleep after lunch is called nap. Yes, we all have sleeping hour in the afternoon after lunch. And what do the children do? The children take a short nap. Yes. Nest. Nest. N-E-S-T. N-E-S-T. Small, small buddies. Birdies live in the nest. 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 N-E-S-T. Birds build nest. Nuts. N-U-T-S. N-U-T-S. Nuts. Nuts like almond, cashew nut, badam. Yes, these are all good for health. And my mama prepared sweets by garnishing it with lot of nuts. My mama uses nuts for garnishing the dishes, garnishing the sweets. Ninja. Yes, ninja. Japanese art. Yahoo. Kung Fu. Yahoo. Kung Fu. Ninja. Ninja is a Japanese art. It's a cartoon character you see on the TV. Ninja. N-I-N-G. N-I-N-J-A. I repeat. N-I-N-J-A. Yes, children. Yes. So nice. So nice. You have learnt all these words so happily. Yes, lovely children. It's time for us to learn the words that start with O. Round your mouth. Say O. O. Yes. Octopus. Octopus. Yes, beautiful octopus. And you see octopus in water. They live in water. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Olive. Yes, children, these are olive fruits. We make oil. We get oil from olive seeds. Olive. Olive. O-L-I-V-E. O-L-I-V-E. Yes, children. On. O-N. On. Yes. There is a monkey on the tree. I am sitting on the floor. On. Otter. Otter. O-T-T-E-R. O-T-T-E-R. Yes, children. Ostrich. Ostrich. Yes. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Yes. Ostrich is a bird with long legs. Yes, children. Ox. O-X. O-X. Ox. Yes. Where do you see ox? Where do you see this ox? We see ox in the villages. Yes, children. Yes, lovely, lovely. P. Now it's time for us to learn the words with P. Here are the words pineapple. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pig. P-I-G. P-I-G. Yes. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. You see panda in the snow mountains. Snow. How is the weather on the snow mountains? It's very chill, cool. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. I love parrots because they talk like us. P-A-R-R-O-T. Penguin. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Yes, yes, lovely children. Lovely. You people are so good that today you have learned so many words, revised so many words. But again I tell you, that's not enough, children. You need practice. You need practice to become perfect learners, and I know all my candies are so good in listening to the words of the teacher. and following the instructions of the teacher. Do follow all the instructions. Have good practice. Write them again and again. Say them again and again. Spell them again and again. You all will grow great. Have a nice day, children.